Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix Steam corrupt files, update files. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up Steam, go to Steam on the top left, then go to settings. Once your settings open up, go to storage, press the three dots, repair library. Then you just need to press yes and wait until it's done. After it's done, look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, then go to downloads, then go to clear download cache and then press yes. After that, you will need to relog into your account and look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, if you're getting this error, particularly in one game, then what I suggest to do here is to right click on that particular game, go to properties, installed files, and then verify integrity of the game files. Wait until it's done and your issue probably should be fixed. That's pretty much it.